Hello and welcome to Cromford Cars and this quick tour around the Toyota Auris. It's the hybrid, which means it gets the free road tax. Looks absolutely fabulous in this black metallic. Remember, this car will come with a brand new 12-month MOT and we'll give the car a service before you finally take delivery. The interior specification is very smart. All finished in this charcoal half leather interior, very comfortable and in lovely condition. The general specification gets electric windows and electric door mirrors. You also have the automatic parking system as well as front and rear parking sensors. The multifunction steering wheel houses the audio controls on the onboard computer as well as the cruise control. We have the full information dashboard. Then as we move across and down, we come to the infotainment system, which has got the Bluetooth, mobile phone connectivity and music streaming, as well as radio and CD player. It has the reversing camera built into the screen, as well as satellite navigation, and of course the information of whether it's battery or the engine that's driving the car. We also have climate controlled air conditioning. It's the automatic, the hybrid automatic. There are heated seats, cup holders, and of course a centre armrest. In the back of the car it's pretty much the same story. There are 3 seat belts, so 5 in comfort, although you can pull this centre armrest down and improve the comfort for 4. You also have the Isofix child seat system, so even the kids are catered for as well. The boot capacity is very good. There's plenty of room for those shopping trips or luggage. There's a light in the boot so you're good after the hours of darkness, and also a 12-volt power socket as well. Then under the floor here we've got an extra space for those items you keep in the car all the time. If you do find you need extra space though, just fold those rear seats down and the boot opens up nicely. So if you're out and about shopping for those larger items, you can certainly make room in the car in order to get them all home. The car has those lovely grey alloy wheels, but just look how clean this car is under the bonnet. It also comes with its service history with 5 Toyota stamps in the service book, so the only thing this car needs is a test drive, and hopefully we'll see you very soon in order to do that. If you are watching on YouTube and you'd like more details on this car, including mileage and price, click on the link in the description below. And if you haven't done so already, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. That way you can keep up to speed with all the latest stock we've got coming in.